I made this PVC water pump 5-6 years ago. I made these for using when I need to pump water out of the toilet. When you need to replace or repair your toilet, after you've shut off the water, you flush it, you still have some water in the bowl, the toilet bowl. So then this is a very good tool to pump the water out. The same for the water tank. After you flush it, you still have water in the tank. So this is a good tool to pump the water out. So I use it. It's very useful. This body or PVC pipe for this body is a 1¼ inch. So it's a bit small. I am going to make a bigger one today. It's going to be 2-inch body. The PVC will be 2-inch body PVC. So watch how I do it. I will show you how I do my PVC water pump today. These are the parts for making my 2-inch water pump. This is a 2-inch PVC pipe. The length is 22.5 inches. When you make yours, you can make it at any length you want. It can be 20, 22, or 25 inches long. And this is a 1¼ inch pipe. It will be used as a rod that goes inside this bigger tube like this, because it will be like a syringe to go back and forth in here. I will cut it maybe 3 inches or 4 inches longer than this bigger one, so that I have a handle. These 2 caps are 2 inches that they will need to go onto this 2-inch pipe. And one in the back, one in the front. And this 1¾ I will need to drill here right in the center all the way through, so that the rod can go through here to the inside of the 2-inch pipe. And these two 1 1/4, the rod inside will need to be closed like this too. One on this side, the other on the other side. And I need 2 O-rings, 2 O-rings rubbers. I am not sure exactly what size that I need, so then I have 2 sets with 2 slightly different sizes. These 2 are the same size. The physical rubber is smaller, but the oval, the circle, is a little bit bigger than these 2. The size is number 89 O-ring, 2 inches 3/16 by 2 inches. And these 2, the size is Union number 5 O-ring, 2 inches by 1¾ inch. Next step, I will drill this right in the middle, drill it all the way down, so that this rod can go through here like that. Okay. Okay, I put the 2 O-rings here. I made 3 grooves here. I only have 2 O-rings, so 2 is fine. 3 is probably too tight. So it took me a lot of time to make grooves for the O-rings. The size is the Union number 5 O-ring, 2 inches by 1 3/4 inch. So this is the right size for this. This is too loose. At this time, I don't want to pump water because the glue here is still wet. Tomorrow I will pump water and it should work well. Okay, let's have a real test on pumping water in the toilet. This one was made yesterday, but yesterday I did not do any test because the glue here was still wet, and today is the next day, so the glue here is dry enough for me to try pumping water. So let's try now to pump the water out from the toilet bowl here. One pump is almost finished with the water. Put the water in this black container. And second pump will be finished. The water will be empty in here. It's doing a good job. Let's see if I can still pump some more. There's a little left in here. It's finished. It's empty. The water here was pumped out in 3 times. So it's doing a good job. Now let's go and try to pump outside. See if we can do a different job. It pumps a lot of water. It's working good. 2-inch PVC water pump. If it's too tight, I put the red stuff here is the automobile wheel bearing grease. I can put grease for auto, or I can put vegetable oil on it to help move easier. And for this cap, I do not want to put cement or glue on it because sometimes I need to move this rod out, so this can be removed too. If this video is helpful to you, please subscribe. อยากขอวิดีโอนอก็เกิดเตาเทียถอปัดเนี่ยลูกป้อนเรียว่าให้เตีย subscribe นะว่าจอ Thank you for watching.